Welcome to Double D Do Business. Get ready for our quick dLog packed with insights and inspiration. Think, reflect, and join the conversation. Double D, your thought and positive agitation guides. Let's go. Perspective. Recently, we've been converting a barn, which will be our RLC offices. Really exciting work. And one of the pals that came down to help us do it is also a photographer and has a drone. And when he came down, he actually did some drone photography of the house. And East Sheehan is a base for us where we work from. It allows us to actually have a lifestyle that we choose. But one of the things that completely blew me away and was completely unexpected was that when we received the photographs and looked at the house from a completely different perspective, which was actually 45 to 120 metres high above looking down at the house and the grounds, it completely disorientated me to two things. One, I've always been really grateful that we've had the opportunity to buy the farm and it'll be a legacy and it'll also allow us to do our events and lots of other exciting things up here. And when you drive down the drive and it's a 4-mile single track to the house off the main road. So it is a very remote place. It's unique. There's an energy. It's all of these exciting things which we already feel. But actually seeing the house from a completely different perspective had a quite dramatic effect. One was, for me personally, was of complete gratitude and genuine gratitude of we have achieved this is where we live and this is where we work. But also it then made me think much more about what other things are we not seeing in perspective? And if we literally pulled ourselves away and looked into other people's perspective. We talk a lot about perceptual positioning at RLC in regards to an NLP technique, and you actually consider other people's perspective. So you go for, you go against a perspective, you're on the fence and you don't care. And by stimulating your brain to consider these extended perspectives, you make better decisions, you make risks that are positive, and also you deal with any stress or overwhelm as well because you're already naturally building the neural pathways. Lots of exciting things around perspective, but also just simple things about what are you not seeing? What are you not noticing? What have you missed? And actually, how can you do that? Perspective can be gained in many ways. 1, by stepping back. 2, by asking questions. 3, by actually giving yourself some more time. 4, slowing down and being really focused on what else can I see in this view and what am I not seeing? It's really important. And genuinely, if you do get a chance, do pop over to East Sheehan on socials and see the house and the grounds in its new perspective. Thank you for tuning into Double D and our dLog. Remember to think, reflect and share your thoughts with us too. Thanks for joining us on our quick dLog journey. Until next time.